Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The first half of this year finally brought the phone I'd been waiting for, the Vivo X Fold 6 with its stunning full-screen design. Right away, the very first thing that stood out to me was just how incredibly slim and lightweight it feels in the hand. The rounded corners blend perfectly with the 2.5D metal frame, giving the phone balanced proportions and a premium appearance. It feels smooth to hold, comfortable to grip, and overall, the in-hand experience is excellent. The version I have is the Silver Lake color, and honestly, it's my favorite. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content. The back panel features a refined pearl-inspired finish with a gentle shimmering effect that subtly changes as light moves across it. The soft, low-saturation gloss gives it a classy, elegant look without being flashy, making the design both sophisticated and visually pleasing. The biggest transformation, though, comes from the brand new Orion OS 6 Fold, which has been built specifically for large-screen foldable devices. Every interaction, feature, and optimization has been carefully designed around the unique advantages of a foldable display and productivity-focused use cases. When you unfold this phone, you're not just opening a larger screen, you're unlocking a much bigger workspace. One of the standout upgrades is the new Atomic Workbench. Compared to the previous generation, which supported one main window alongside 4 atomic windows in a serial layout, this version introduces an entirely new parallel mode. 4 apps can now run side by side across the entire display without overlapping, and you can freely resize each window to make full use of the foldable display. Interestingly, I received my X Fold 6 just as 2 huge sporting events happened at the same time, the NBA Finals and the World Cup. For sports fans, choosing between them is almost impossible, so I decided to turn the Atomic Workbench into my own entertainment hub. I could watch both matches simultaneously using the 4 parallel windows, while also browsing forums and chatting about the games, all without interrupting what I was watching. Whenever I wanted to focus on the World Cup, I simply switched to serial mode, then returned to the main NBA window when the live commentary resumed. Those 90 minutes flew by, and the experience was incredibly satisfying, with entertainment simply becoming an added bonus. But beyond entertainment, the real strength of this system lies in the foldable exclusive productivity features. We often deal with spreadsheets or images that contain data, and instead of entering everything manually, the Atomic Workbench lets you use the image-to-table feature. Just drag and drop the image, and within seconds, the table becomes fully editable, saving a huge amount of time and effort. It also supports real-time text drag-and-drop translation, along with instant content extraction. Everything can be completed directly on the large display, making office tasks far more comfortable and eliminating the cramped feeling of working on a traditional smartphone screen. Another feature I found especially useful is meeting recording. You can simply open the recorder, capture the entire meeting, and let the phone automatically analyze and summarize everything afterward. During online meetings, the little back notes feature can transcribe conversations in real time, even identifying and assigning different speakers. Once the meeting ends, the AI generates a complete summary that can be shared instantly through WeChat or Lark. For everyday office work, this foldable phone can easily handle the entire meeting process without needing to open a laptop. When heavier workloads come along, you can switch into computer mode, connect the phone to a monitor or TV, either wired or wirelessly, and it instantly transforms into a portable desktop PC. Pair it with a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse for a much more productive workspace, while the phone itself can even function as a touchpad. Combined with the Vivo Office suite, your phone and computer work together seamlessly, allowing screen projection, cross-device collaboration, and even using the phone as a secondary display to maximize productivity across multiple devices. By the way, did you buy anything during the recent shopping festival? Have you ever noticed your coworkers opening several shopping apps at once just to compare prices? Constantly switching back and forth between different windows can quickly become frustrating. With Atomic Workbench, comparing prices becomes much easier. Instead of checking one shopping app after another, you can compare products across multiple e-commerce platforms at the same time. It can even search across different platforms to find matching or similar items with greater accuracy. Built-in tools like a calculator and spreadsheets let you compare prices instantly, making the whole shopping process faster and more efficient. Honestly, this is one of the smartest shopping experiences I've seen on a smartphone. Powering all of these AI-heavy features is the new Dimensity 9500 processor, which Vivo and MediaTek spent 2 years developing together. The chip has been deeply optimized for the X Fold 6, especially for AI processing and advanced multitasking. It also introduces the jointly developed edge-side ASR Zephyr model. Combined with NPU-assisted CPU computing, features like AI meeting recording, speech recognition, and transcription become noticeably faster, while also delivering higher accuracy. When it comes to cameras, the Vivo X Fold 6 performs like a true flagship imaging phone. It comes equipped with a Zeiss full focal length camera system featuring a 21-megapixel superlinear main camera, a 50-megapixel APO 3x periscope telephoto lens, and a 16mm equivalent ultra-wide-angle camera. On top of that, Vivo introduces the brand new Zeiss G2 teleconverter, bringing an exclusive one-screen framing mode along with direct snapshot functionality. The unique pop-up quick launch mechanism allows the teleconverter to activate instantly as you open or close the phone, making framing more precise and enabling collaborative shooting in a way that feels both practical and premium. Right from the first shot, the entire experience feels much closer to using a professional camera. Another advantage is portability. The upgraded 2.3x G2 teleconverter is now even more compact, making it easier to carry around. When paired with the built-in 3x periscope telephoto camera, it delivers an equivalent focal length of up to 200 millimeters. The results are impressively close to what you'd expect from dedicated professional telephoto lenses, making long-distance photography effortless. Distant subjects remain sharp with excellent detail, while the natural optical background blur creates a look that software algorithms simply can't fully reproduce. Even without attaching the teleconverter, the phone still delivers outstanding photography. Thanks to the Zeiss 200-megapixel ultra-clear main camera and Vivo's V3 imaging system, everyday photos come out rich in detail with vibrant yet natural colors. Night photography is equally impressive, offering the clean image quality you'd expect from a top-tier flagship device. Now, let's talk about the features most people care about: battery life, durability, and signal performance. The X Fold 6 is designed to handle all of them. It carries IP5X, IPX8, and IPX9 ratings for dust and water resistance, and it can even operate in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius, making it well-suited for harsh winter conditions. For battery performance, Vivo includes its flagship-level Blue Ocean battery as standard. Combined with 80-watt wired fast charging and 40-watt wireless charging, it greatly reduces battery anxiety, even when you're using demanding features like large-screen navigation or other power-hungry applications throughout the day. After spending a few days with the Vivo X Fold 6, I'm more convinced than ever that combining AI with a large foldable display is the right direction for smartphones. In the past, I always found myself wondering how to make better use of a large screen and how to maximize the available space. With Orion OS 6 Fold, I don't have to think about any of that anymore. I simply unfold the display and the AI intelligently handles the rest. The base version of the Vivo X Fold 6 starts at 7,999 yuan in China, which is roughly 889 pounds in the UK and around $1,177 in the USA. I'll be uploading a full in-depth review very soon, so if you're interested in seeing more, make sure to subscribe to the channel and become part of our tech community. That's everything for today's look at the Vivo X Fold 6.
Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!